Imagine waking up in the morning, sipping your coffee, and realizing you've made money overnight. No early alarms, no long commutes, just cash flowing into your account while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you this could be your reality in 2025? Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, we're diving into the world of passive income and how it could transform your life. Passive income is more than just a slogan. It's a financial strategy that allows your money to work for you. Unlike a traditional 9-to-5 job, where you trade time for money, passive income streams generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Think about investments, digital assets, or even automated businesses that operate while you sleep. It's not magic, it's smart planning and execution. In 2025, with technology evolving faster than ever, the opportunities to create passive income have grown exponentially. From online platforms to AI-driven tools, making money while you sleep is more achievable than ever. Let's explore some of the most promising ways to generate passive income in 2025. First, dividend-paying stocks and real estate investment trusts are classic examples. By investing wisely, you'll receive regular payouts while your investments grow over time. Tools like robo-advisors and AI-driven market analysis make investing more accessible than ever. Another option is creating and selling digital products. Platforms like Etsy or even your own website allow you to sell templates, ebooks, or online courses. Imagine creating a product once and selling it repeatedly while you sleep. AI tools can even assist you in designing or marketing these products. Automated e-commerce stores like dropshipping or print-on-demand businesses are also lucrative. With platforms like Shopify and integrations with automation tools, you can set up a store that operates on autopilot. Affiliate marketing is another excellent choice. Promote products or services you love and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique links. Social media and content platforms like TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram make marketing effortless. For those who prefer lending, peer-to-peer platforms like Fundrise or Lending Club let you invest in projects or lend money to others. You earn interest or dividends as the returns roll in, hands-free. Lastly, rental income from properties or vehicles using apps like Airbnb is a golden opportunity. In 2025, the demand for shared resources has skyrocketed. Now let's clear up some misconceptions. Passive income isn't entirely passive at first. Setting up these streams often requires upfront time, effort, or investment. For instance, creating an online course takes planning and production, but once it's done, it can generate revenue for years. Also, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience and persistence. The key is to start small, be consistent, and scale up as you learn what works. Remember, each dollar you earn passively brings you closer to financial freedom. Picture this. It's 2025, and your passive income streams are flowing. You've diversified your earnings. You're getting dividends from stocks, royalties from a digital product, and rental income from an Airbnb property. This financial stability gives you options. Want to travel? Go for it. Want to spend more time with loved ones? You can. Want to pursue a passion project? You have the freedom to do so. Passive income doesn't just make life easier, it gives you the ultimate gift: control over your time. So what if you could make money while you sleep in 2025? The answer is simple: you can. It starts with taking the first step today. Explore the options we discussed. Choose the one that resonates with you and commit to building your future. If this video sparked some ideas, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, What If Sketches for more insights, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What passive income stream are you most excited to try? Let us know. Until next time, dream big and let your money work for you.